Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to work with the website of eTwinning and show you around and to let you see how everything works. So I went to this website, eTwinning.net, and this is the first page that you see when you go to that website. So I turned my settings into English so you can understand what everything is. So I click on Login, and my laptop remembered my password and my name, so I can log in. Then you get to this website, and I have to go to these 9 dots in the top left corner, and if I click on them, I see this. And then I have to go to My Twin Spaces, the white one. And when I click on it, I see all the eTwinning activities that I've been doing. And of course, we need the Superinventors on the move. So I click on it. And then this is the main page, the starter page of our twin space. So if I go down here, I see the explanation of our project. And I can see who is online. So I see Yvonne and myself. When I go further down, I see all the posts that we have been posting with all the updates of the Superinventors. Maria Giovanna has posted something. Myself with the voting for the contest of the Superinventor, and just some other posts. So feel free to post any updates, which is always nice to see. Now, how do I do that? I click on Add New Post, and here I can type hello everyone, etc., etc., etc. If I want to add a picture, I will come to that later because that's a bit more difficult. So if you're finished, you can click on Post, and it'll appear, I think, at the top of all the posts. But I will cancel this one for now. Cancel. So then when I go up, I see the home page where we are right now. Then I can click on Pages, the one next to it. And here I can see all the pages that we have made so far. So presenting our schools, the Netherlands, Portugal, Slovenia, and Italy. Our national Superinventor. So this is the Dutch one, where we have presented our winner. So all our Superinventors are here. I also added the Dutch Online Museum page. So we're going to make a Dutch Online Museum from all the drawings of the children. And I already made one for the Storminventor of the Netherlands. Now, if you want to add to a page, you click here on Create a Page. Then you can give it a title, for example, Test, which I just tried. And where do I want to put it? Is it a part of the Superinventor schools? No. Is it our national Superinventors? No. Let's do a Dutch Online Museum. And I click on Submit. And now I have an empty page that I can see here. Test. There it is. Underneath the Dutch Online Museum. Now, it is still an empty page, and of course I want to put some content in it. So for example, if you are making a museum for Italy, then you can change the name to blah, 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 Italy, submit, and then you can start adding content to this page, this one. So I click on it, and then I can add some text. Now, if I want to add a picture, that is a different story. So bear with me. If you go to the top, you see materials. Now, if I click on materials, you see all the images that are somewhere on our page. So if I want to put a picture in my post of my pages, I first have to upload it into materials. That way you can re-upload it into the posts. So I can click on here and I can add a picture of Storm, for example. There it is. So now I can use this picture in pages. So I go back to what I made, my test. I want to, let's see. There we go. I clicked on the pencil because I want to change it. Add content to this page. And now I look for, I think this is images. Yes, there we go. So these are all the images that I can now put into my page. So I can put Storm in there. There we go. And I can also type next to it. And of course I can make it bold or cursive or underlined. I can use colors. I can use different fonts. I can do anything I want. Yeah, have a look and see what you can do with it. Now I will delete this one for now because I don't need my test. So that is how you add a picture. If you want to add a video, I click on videos. And here you can upload your videos from YouTube. See, you have to fill in a URL. So a YouTube video you can put in there like this. Now let's see. What is also important is your privacy settings. So if I go to one of these pages, for example, Superinventor, I click on the pencil. And then if I go down, I see this. Who can see this page? Do you want to be it viewable for everyone on the internet, or just the TwinSafe Space members, or just me? We decided to click on everyone on the internet, but you can choose to change this however you see fit. And who can edit this page? Administrators and teachers, I think, is the best setting to have. Let's see. I can click on forum. We haven't used the forum yet. Maybe we will in the future. The online meeting we haven't used either, but that's okay. And the last one is members. And here I can see all the members that are in this project. So you can see I was here, well, today. Fran has, well, never been here, hopefully after this video. So you can see this. We also have added a new Such Fun student who will be working at Such Fun, and he can help us out with our Superinventor project, our Superinventor project. Let's see. Up here we have the little envelope where you can see if you have any messages. Well, I have no messages. Let's see the little bell. If I have any notifications with new friendship messages or something, but nothing. Yeah, I think that is it. Did I forget something? No. If you have any questions, please let me or Yvonne know. If you can't get in, if you can't find anything, hopefully this video finds you well, and you can always pause the video or go back if you missed something, if I went too fast. Good luck and hope to see you on eTwinning.